Use this from now to the end of December and your hair will hang down your back. This is a very potent not to play with. This will give you thickness, volume, length retention, strength. Your hair will not just break or fall out unnecessarily. Please keep on watching to the end. Do you want your hair to hang down your back? If you do, please do comment below and say, yes, I want my hair to hang down my back. But your favorite ingredient must be the purple onion. The reason why purple onion is very powerful is because it's high in sulfur. Sulfur is something that is very essential when you are trying to grow your hair. It actually boosts that long hair growth that you are looking for. Even with the peel, do not throw them away. Keep them and I will show you how to use them. I have videos on this channel on how to use onion for hair growth, so do not throw them away. You guys, purple onion is very powerful. Purple onion can benefit the hair by potentially promoting the growth, reducing hair fall, and improving hair texture. Due to its high sulfur content and antioxidant properties, it may also help with dandruff and premature growing of hair. Do you know onions can actually help darken your hair when you use them consistently? I'm using onions on my hair lately and the results are amazing. So if you include onion in your hair regimen, you are going to see that your hair will be getting darker. Now, onions are rich in sulfur. Sulfur is a key component in hair growth. In strength, sulfur is also a building block of collagen, which is potent for healthy hair follicles. So if your follicles are healthy, your follicles are going to produce healthy hair. So I'm just going to put water and we are going to blend this. We need the onion juice. Now, if you do not know how to make use of onion in different ways, this is another way to make a powerful treatment that you can start using. Starting from now to the end of December, you will see your hair will grow longer and possibly hang down your back. So after you have made your onion juice like this, you are going to be adding your favorite powders or in fresh forms. So guys, we are going to be putting cloves. If you want to turn this into a powder, just go ahead and blend it. What clove does is that cloves encourages faster hair growth. It strengthens your hair, nourishes hair follicles, and reduces hair loss. Like I said before, we are going to be adding our favorite powders. I only have clove handy, but if you have neem, go ahead and add your neem, add your hibiscus, add your moringa. You can add them in powdered form or you can add them in fresh form. If you have teas, you can add teas like peppermint tea, chai green tea. I don't have any of these at the moment like I told you guys, but if you have all these ingredients that I mentioned, go ahead and add it because it helps to boost growth. If you use the powders or you are using the fresh herbs, we are going to use the double boiler method. We are going to infuse the powders or herbs inside the onion juice. If you are doing this on a weekly basis, from now to December, your hair will literally grow down. It will grow long and it may even hang down your back. Onions is known to grow hair super fast because of its high content in sulfur. We also have other natural herbs that contain sulfur. So if you are actually using onion, you are going to see that your hair grows fast. If you are still watching, Please comment down below and say I'm not going anywhere, I'm still watching. So moving on to how to apply this treatment on your hair. If you want to use it as a leave-in, then make sure that your hair is clean. Prepare your hair, shampoo, and make sure your hair is clean. Then go ahead and apply this treatment onto your scalp. But if you want to use this as a rinse, after washing your hair, you then apply it on your hair and allow it to sit for up to 30 minutes. Then you rinse it out and apply your hair cream or your hair butter. You guys, I've always told you, after applying this hairspray to your hair and your scalp, make sure to massage your scalp very well. Massage it very well. As long as you can, massage it, but then make sure you massage it for up to or more than 2 minutes. If you don't have time, the least you can massage it is like 2 minutes. This is to help make sure that blood circulates your scalp. Then after that, make sure to always apply your hair butter, your hair cream, and then you seal in with a hair growth oil. Please do not forget this process, because if you do not apply your hair cream, you are going to have hair breakage. Yes, because I get complaint always that after applying this hairspray, their hairs begin to fall off or break. That is because you do not follow instructions. Apply your hair cream, then you seal in with a hair growth oil. You guys, I've been saying this and I've been mentioning it always on my channel. Please always follow instructions. I hear some people say we have a lot of DIYs. How do they know the ones that work for them and the ones that doesn't work for them? How do they apply all the whole DIYs on their hair? Now, my take on this is, as long as the DIYs are not detrimental to your hair, like they don't cause hair breakage, they don't cause excessive breakage, excessive shedding, I will apply all of them to my hair. Yes, a lot of you complain about this because you don't pay close attention to your hair. If you pay close attention to your hair, you will notice that the excessive shedding that you are having have reduced. There is no dandruff on your hair. There is overall healthy hair growth. But that is when you use it consistently and you pay attention. Some of you don't pay attention. You just apply it and you just move on. You don't go back to check your hair. If you do, if you pay close attention to your hair, you will notice that there are new baby hairs coming out. Your hair have started growing. They are not the same inches they are having now, manageable. They are soft. Some are even getting darker if you have gray hairs. Yes, so please pay attention to your hair. Don't just apply the DIYs and you just let it go. No, pay close attention to your hair. That is when you know the issues that you are having and the best way to take care of your hair. You are nurturing your hair. So you guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please give me a big thumbs up and also comment down below if this was helpful. Please get some love by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.